got this antique cuckoo clock, and I have a situation where the original 3 had broken. So I installed a new one, but as you can see, the color is significantly different because this clock is over 100 years old and these numbers have discolored. Now the customer doesn't want me to clean them all so they're bright white. They want to keep the original color. So I'm going to show you a quick little trick to do just that. So here's the original 3 that was broken. You can see it's missing a section of the 3 here. So now what I've done is I purchased a new set of cuckoo clock hands or dial numbers that are the same size. Then we're going to take another number that we don't need as a test. And I tried a number of things. I tried Old English, I tried coffee, and nothing seemed to match the color correctly. So what I did was I went to Home Depot and I bought these furniture markers. And I tested out each one. All right. And it looks like the walnut, although it might not be perfect, let's get it here, is pretty darn close match. So let's color this 5, or I'm sorry, this 4 in walnut and see how close it is to our 3. So I'm going to grab my marker here, and the one that matched pretty good is walnut. Here's my 4. Let's go ahead and color this guy. Okay, it's not perfect, but I'd say it's pretty darn close. So here's my finished product. I colored the 3 with my marker, and I purposely made a few spots darker than others because as you can see in some of the other numbers, that's the case as well. And although it's not a perfect match, it matches pretty well. All right, so this is a quick little trick you can use to match your dial numbers to the original color using furniture markers. And if you're not totally satisfied with your color, you can use acetone and a Q-tip to take it off very easily. And you can also lighten it and put another coat on. So I did that because I felt it was a little bit too dark, and I redid it, and you can see it looks pretty great.